I just did the unboxing and first run of this Vertex-10 from Redcat, and one of the things that it left me wondering is this is the ready to run, but they also have a slider version of them. And is that actually the better buy? Should you be getting the ready to run, or should you get the slider, and why? And that is what we're going to talk about in this video. Vertex-10 did absolutely amazing out on my crawler course, but it's $4.99, which is not a small amount of money, but really comparable to its competitors. However, the slider version is $130 cheaper, $369. So what can you do for $130, and can you build this just as good or better with that price difference? When looking at the specs for clarity, there's almost no difference. So when you get the slider, sometimes a kit or a slider may come with maybe some different parts, some better parts, something like that. You know, that's not really the case here. The slider comes with a body that it says is 15% lighter. Can't tell if it actually comes with this little toolbox, and the pictures show that it does not have the quick release body mount system. It's using more of a standard body. Is that alone where the 15% comes from? The silhouette looks very similar, but it also says that the body physically sits lower, which it does look like it could do that. Even when you flex this truck out, the tires are super far from the body, not going to catch on it at all, which is a good thing, but you could probably reduce it down a little bit to help you with your center of gravity. So overall, you're not buying the slider because it comes with some extra fancy parts, as near as I can tell. As I noted, the slider does come with a body, so that's good. You don't have to buy a full body, but you still are going to have to paint it. The slider, of course, does not come with tires and wheels, does not come with a servo, does not come with the ESC or the motor or the transmitter and the receiver. So can you piece all this together for that $130 price difference? No. No, the very, very simple answer is you can't. If I was going to put a servo in it, Zeuske, which is one of the companies that I've always gone to for servos for stuff like this, has come out with a low profile, like 50 kg servo. That's definitely what I'd be going with. $60. The same ESC and motor that's in here is actually from Hobbywing and is actually fairly reasonably priced. ESC's 50 bucks, motor's like 30, so 80 total. You're not going to get much cheaper than that, and it's going to be high quality. But that's another $80 chunk out of your 130 bucks. Obviously, wheels, these are plastic. You might be upgrading them anyway. I think I might clean these up and put these on there. These are some Trio wheels that I absolutely love, and I think will look good on there. Those still for a set of 4, 50 bucks. These tires from Redcat are actually really good so far, but of course they're not going to come on the slider, so you're going to have to buy your own. That's another 60. And then we're not even going to get into transmitters and receivers, because if you're buying the slider, I'm assuming you at minimum already have that. So maybe you're not buying the transmitter, maybe you're buying another receiver. So just doing simple math, servo plus ESC plus motor plus receiver plus wheels plus tires plus paint for the body, and you're already up over $250 in order to get this thing ready to run. That is a lot. So reconfirming that you can't do it for the price. Now, so that means the only way that this makes sense is you already basically have all these parts left over, and you're looking to transfer them from maybe a current vehicle or just literally your spare parts bin in order to get it ready to run. If you are interested in this Vertex-10, then you gotta consider, do you have all the parts laying around? Do you have specific things that you really want to get? Because otherwise, the slider just doesn't really make a lot of sense. This isn't the old days where the ready to run comes with a bunch of junk that you're going to want to immediately get rid of. These ready to runs now come with super high quality components in them, which means why would you not buy them at a discount from Redcat instead of paying full price for them separately? So unless you already have them around, you're buying the ready to run. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions or comments, maybe something I accidentally left out, ask me down in the comments and I'll be happy to talk to you there. If you're curious about picking one of these up, there'll be a link in the video description. And if you're curious about anything else with this truck, there will be a playlist popping up over here to your right, and I hope to see you in one of those videos. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.